All right, kindergarten, we are in your green WIN packet. Remember, this is the one we're using now because we finished all of the learning in the other one, so we are in green WIN packet. All right, everyone should have their pencil or whatever it is you're wanting to write with so that I can see it when you take a picture when we're finished, all right? So let's read the directions at the top. Fill in the missing sound, So we see that they are finished all of the writing of the words. So we are going to finish it by sounding it out. So let's start. This is a bug. What says G? What letter shall we write? A G, yes. So we should make a circle with a hook on the bottom. Good. Bug. And everybody, this is a fish, right? They have ish. What is the I sound? It is an I. We just worked on that, didn't we? On our whiteboards. Right, and over here we have a picture of a book. We have blank book. We know O says U, right? And K says K. What says B? B. Let's make a stick and then the bubble, right? Book. Good job. Down here it says write the sight words. How many sight words do they have in this box? 3. So we need to fill in these 3 blocks, groups of blocks. Let's look at number 1. As a tall, short, and 3. Which one over here? Oh, let's read them first. I almost forgot. Let's read them first. Did. Or, for. I know OR says the OR sound, and F says F. So put it together and I say 4. Like 4, like the number 4? No, that's spelled differently. Let's look at this 3-letter word. Get. All right, good. Now let's fill in number 1. A tall and 2 short. I think that is the tall F, right? And short O and R. Good. All right, next, let's go to number 2. Tall, short, tall. Which one? It goes up. Did, right? So for D, we make the bubble and then the stick. I dot it and bubble and then the stick for a D. Number 3. Yep, it only is get, put the bubble and then a hook. E round and little T. Cross it. Good. Draw a picture and complete the number sentences. So let's get those pictures drawn. Let's do, this has 5 plus 2. Now I'll put up 5 fingers, which is the whole hand, plus 2 more on the other, 1, 2, and put them together. We have 5 plus 2 equals 7. Right, so we should draw, well, how many in this box? 7. So I'm going to put a group of 5 at the top and then 2 more at the bottom because I know 5 plus 2 equals 7. Good. Oh, they have an 8 here for the second one. 8. So let's draw 8. So I'm going to put 4 on each side. What do you think? Because 4 plus 4 is 8. So a group of 4 plus a group of 4. It's a total of 8. And easy peasy, how many? 1. Good job. So we have 8, count up 1 more, it's 9. So let's write a 9, and then we have to put 9 in this box, right? So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. All right, let's move down to the bottom. Counting tally marks. Oh, remember what I said about tally marks? 4 and then 1 falls over, so that is a group of 5 and a group of 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Good. All right, over here. Yes, that's right. Another group of 5. So put up 5 fingers and add 2 more, or count up from 5, right? 5 and then 2 more spots. 5, 6, 7. Good. So let's write a 7 in the box. All right, kindergarten, we're finished with that page. So I want you to go over to Seesaw and please take a picture on the one that has win for today, okay? Some might have not done their win for yesterday, so please make sure you're going to the win for today. And if you didn't do yesterday's, go show me yesterday's work under that one, okay? All right, good job.